Guys, it's the Chook Man here once again. Shaking my head once again. I'm going to have a whinge here. They probably say, oh no, the Chook Man's whinging again. But this is a fair call whinge. I was walking my dog around the block like I do every morning. I got him muzzled and I got him on the lead. Not 'cause he's vicious, but I don't want him fighting anyone else's dogs. Today I'm walking around the block and the dog comes out of someone's house. The guy was cleaning his car. He's got his middle gate open. He's got his second gate open, and out trots, he outruns his dog, runs up to my dog, sniff, 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 bit of growling, bit of this, bit of that, and I'm trying to get my dog and walk down the street as I'm telling this bloke, grab your dog. Oh, no, my dog's good, man. You don't have to worry about my dog. Rah, rah, rah. And then it got into a bit of a, between me and him. I got a bit hot around the collar because I'm sick of telling people use common sense. It's not rocket science. If you've got gates and you've got a dog, do not let it come out in the street and annoy other people's dogs because they're like kids. They are unpredictable. 1 minute they're nice, next minute they turn. And that's what dogs can do. I've had this situation pop up once before. Walking down the street, a dog runs out. A dog doesn't like my dog. The dog grabs my dog. It starts ripping into my dog. My dog starts ripping into it. And what have we got? We've got one big problem. Then you turn against the other person. Then you say to the other person, your dog did this and your dog done that. Hang on a minute. Let's use common sense here. We got to think for these dogs. They're not, they're like kids. They're so unpredictable. You cannot. My dog had a muzzle on and he was on the lead. You cannot let your dog out of your front yard and annoy other people's dogs walking around. And if you think you can, you've got rocks in your head. I'm so passionate with this. Don't take the risk. Oh, but my dog's good. My dog wouldn't do this, and my dog... Yeah, well, once they start fighting, if you think you can pull them apart, two big dogs, you are joking me. We've got to think for them, man. I can't say it enough. I don't even take my dog to the park anymore because people go to the park. It's an off-lead park, and they go, oh, but my dog's fine. My dog can go and annoy your dog. Listen. It's the same deal. When you go to an off-lead park, that doesn't mean your dog's got the rights to go up and bully another dog. You've got to take full responsibility. Yes, it's off-lead. They're allowed to be off-lead, but they're not allowed to go up to another dog and start growling and start a fight. That is not on. People say, yeah, but it's off-lead. That doesn't... No. Look the rules up and just use common sense. I'm getting sick of this. I'm walking around enjoying myself with my boy, and then I've got to stick up for him because another dog comes out of someone's driveway, and not did he have one set of gates open, he had two. Then he got shitty with me because I told him to grab his dog. Guys, we can do better than this. We're not 2-year-old kids walking the dog around the block. We're grown adults. Why can't we just be sensible about all this? Don't risk it. I had a dog once before get mauled by this Rockwheeler. It come out. It was come out of someone's front yard. It ripped my dog apart. Do you think I'm going to be happy when I see that? Do you know? And whose fault's that? The owner. I'm so passionate with this. We cannot allow our dogs to go up to anyone else's dog and start fighting. Oh, but my dog wouldn't do that. Your dog started it. Your dog did it. Nah. It's both faults because my dog's on the lead and it was muzzled. I can't say it enough, guys. Use common sense when you've got your dog out in the front yard. And if it can't behave itself and it doesn't come back when you call it, don't have it out the front. It's pretty simple. All right, that's my bitch about looking after your dog. And, it's like if I walked down the street and left my dog off the lead and let it walk into your front yard, of course you're going to be pissed off with me. Who does that sort of stuff? So I keep my dog muzzled, I keep it on the lead. There's so many people, oh, my dog's all right. You love your dog, yeah, yeah. Well, if it sees a cat and runs across the road and it gets run over, are you going to be upset? Stuff like that, man, I see it all the time. I just shake my head, and then people want to get nasty with me. I'm the last person you want to get nasty with. I don't want to get nasty, but I'm not going to have you stand all over the top of me and tell me that it's my fault when it's not. Your dog started it because you didn't use common sense. Pretty simple. Anyway, that's my bitch about people not looking after their animals and letting them go up to other people's dogs and starting fights.